English and Kinyarwanda, Icyongereza n'Ikinyarwanda. Lesson 6, isomo rya 6. Let's start our course. Reka dutangire isomo ryacu. Jya mugiye kubana de mwarimu Jean Pierre. Welcome. Training, amahugurwa. To share, gusangira. To what or to look for, gushaka. To walk, gutembera. To invite, gutumira. To swim or to shower, koga. To be present, kuboneka. To not find, kubura. To dance, kubyina. To run, kwiruka. To be sick, kurwara. To leap, gucumbagira. To be cold, gukonja. To suffer or to feel pain, kubabara. To swear, kubyimbirwa. To feel dizziness, kugira isereri. To have a fever, kugira umuriro. To feel bad, kumererwa nabi. To be extremely sick, kuremba. To be broken, a part of body, kuvunika. To see a doctor for treatment, kwivuza. To seek help, gushaka ubufasha. To beat, gukubita cyangwa guhonda. To be able, gushobora. To be patient, kwihangana. To fight, kurwana. To sleep, gusinzira. To steal, kwiba. To kill, kwica. To heal, gukiza. Take you to be with me. May God bless you. Mwakoze kubana nanjye. Imana ibahe umugisha. Mwari kumwe nanjye mwarimu Jean Pierre. Bye bye.